Hello students, welcome back to very interesting chapter of geography, chapter 8, that is human resources. Now in this chapter, you will study many things about related to the population, death, birth, male, female, everything. So let's go on and find it out. Human resources. People are a nation's greatest resource. Nature's bounty only becomes a significant only when people find it useful. It is people with their demands and abilities that turns them into resources. Hence, human resource is the ultimate resource. Healthy, educated, and motivated people develop resources as per their requirements. Human resources, like other resources, are not equally distributed over the world. They differ in their educational levels, age, and sex. Third, their numbers and characteristics also keep changing. Distribution of population. The way in which people are spread across the earth's surface is known as the pattern of population distribution. More than 90% of the world's population lives in about 10% of the land surface. The distribution of population in the world is extremely uneven. Some areas are very crowded and some areas are sparsely populated. Crowded areas are South and Southeast Asia, Europe, Northeastern North America. Sparsely populated, then people living in high altitude areas, tropical deserts, high mountains, and areas of equatorial forest. Density of population. Population density is the number of people living in a unit area of the Earth's surface. Number 2, it is normally expressed as per square kilometer. Number 3, the average density of population in the whole world is 45 persons per square kilometer. And fourth, South Central Asia has the highest density of population, followed by East and Southeast Asia. Factors affecting distribution of population. Number 1, geographical factors. Topography people always refers to live on plains rather than mountains and plateaus because these are the areas suitable for farming, manufacturing and service activities. The Ganga plains are the most densely populated areas of the world's wild mountains like the Andes Alps and the Himalayas are. Then climate. People usually avoid extreme climates that are very hot or very cold like Sahara Desert, polar regions of Russia, Canada and Antarctica. Soil. Fertile soil provides suitable land for agriculture. Fertile plains such as Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, Hawange, Changjiang in China, and the Nile in Egypt and densely populated. Water. People prefer to live in the areas where fresh water is easily available. The river valleys of the world are densely populated while deserts have spare population. Minerals. Areas with mineral deposits are more populated. Diamond mines of South Africa and discovery of oil in the Middle East lead to settling of people in these areas. Social, cultural and economic factors. Social. Areas of better housing, education and health facilities are more densely populated. Example Pune. Cultural. Places with religion or cultural significance attract people. Varanasi, Jerusalem and Vatican City are some examples. Economic. Industrial areas provide employment opportunities. Large number of people are attracted to these areas. Osaka in Japan and Mumbai in. Population change. Population change refers to the change in the number of people during a specific time. The world population has not been suitable. This population has increased manifold due to various reasons. The change in the birth rate and the death rate. Major reasons for the increase in the birth rate are as follows: better food supplies. Births are usually measured using the birth rate, that is the number of live births per 1,000 people. Deaths are usually measured using the death rate, that is the number of deaths per 1,000 people. Birth and deaths are the natural causes of population change. The difference between the birth and death rate of a country is called the natural growth rate. The population increase in the world is due to rapid increase in. Now, migration. Migration is the movement of people in and out of an area. Migration is another way by which population size changes. People may move within or between countries. Emigrant people who leave a country and immigrants people who arrive in a country. Population composition. To understand the role of people as a resource, we need to know about their qualities. People vary greatly in their age, sex, literacy level, health conditions, occupation. Population composition refers to the structure of population. The composition helps us to know how many are males or females, which age group they belong to, how educated they are, what type of occupation they are employed in, what their income levels and health conditions are. Population pyramid shows the total population divided into various age groups, example 5 to say 9 years, 9 to 14 years, the percentage of the total population subdivided into male and female in each of those groups. How many dependents are there in the country? There are two groups of dependents, young and elderly. Skilled, spirited, and hopefully young people endowed with a positive outlook are the future of any nation. We in India are fortunate to have such a resource. They must be educated and provided skills and opportunities to become able and productive. Now, thank you so much. I hope you guys have understood the whole chapter of this related to whatever topic is given. Thank you.